Hi, I'm Katerina and welcome to my presentation. I'll be talking about play-based learning and going through how children learn maths and numeracy through play, and talking about my play-based activity called Imagination Station. So this activity links with the EYLF, which is a framework that offers a vision where all children experience learning through engaging and build success for life. The outcome that links with my play-based activity is outcome 4.4, which states that children are confident and involved learners. Children resource their own learning through connecting with people, place, technologies, and natural processed materials, as well as manipulate resources to investigate, take apart, assemble, invent, and construct, and explore ideas and themes using imagination, creativity, and play. So my play-based activity is called Imagination Station, and this is directed at children aged 3 to 5. So this activity uses materials such as beads, string, and matchsticks, which will be placed around the classroom. This gives the children the opportunity to make their own decisions with no specific instructions, although you could use resources such as images placed near the crafting stations to subtly give them ideas. However, they don't need to follow this as there are no rules or specific instructions for the activity. This creates a fun environment where the child can play and use their imagination to craft. They can choose solitary play, group, or parallel play in this activity. So the children might choose to make jewellery with the beads by using the string to create things such as necklaces or bracelets. They might choose to play with the matchsticks and make images such as houses, flowers, a sun, insect shapes, and all sorts of different things. They might also choose to play with others, helping them to socialise while they craft and form ideas with other children. This will also help the children start thinking of counting, as they'll need to share the materials with others. Some might choose to divide their beads or matchsticks evenly to be fair, or others will use any amount necessary depending on solitary or parallel play. So how do children develop numeracy skills? Children learn as they explore, discover new relationships, and encounter experiences. This is helped with adult support and encouragement. If we look at Votskin's view, the way children learn can be naturalistic, informal, or adult-guided. Naturalistic is when the child controls their actions and choices. Informal is when the child chooses the activity but with adult interaction. And adult-guided is when the adult gives direction and decides on the activity. So children learn numeracy skills and math skills through everyday activities such as counting, looking at shapes, and talking about sizes. This is beneficial through play as it shapes the construction of the brain by linking social, creativity, and cognitive skills. It helps children become leaders of their own learning. So play also develops into experimental exploring, problem solving, imagining, and creating. So a way that you can aid in developing maths and numeracy skills is by asking the child divergent or convergent questions. By doing this, you are helping the child think more about what they're actually doing with this activity. So my main maths focus was counting. So I could ask the child things such as, why did you use that many beads for the bracelet? Or other open-ended questions that don't have specific answers, such as, why did you use 4 matchsticks to create a square? Or why are there that many matchsticks in your house design? If I wanted to get a more definitive answer and help them with that thinking a bit more, so helping them think a bit more thoroughly, you could say, how many matchsticks did you use in your image? Or how many beads could you fit on your bracelet? So this helps support their maths and numeracy development. So the activity supports the development of numeracy and math skills as well, as it uses constructive play. So this is a concept by Sarah Smolansky that is defined as children manipulating materials to create patterns and objects. It states that it may not be representational at first, but it is beneficial as the children attempt working with materials to create an effect. The educator's role is to create an environment that allows children to explore quantitative relationships with others. And Peter states that you should use materials that encourage play, which is what I've done in this activity, as the materials are spread across the classroom to aid in their child's play. Benefits of play are also increased when the educator helps the child reflect on the mathematical concept that is encouraged in their play. So for example, we spoke about asking questions and getting the child to think more about what they are doing. Thank you for listening to my presentation.